Hello there, we're seeing some changes to our weather now. In fact, it looks like the last part of August, even into the first part of September, will be dominated by low pressure. So it's going to start to feel a little bit more autumnal, particularly as we push towards the start of September. Now, showers have been rolling in across the country during the course of Tuesday. We change our air mass. It'll continue to turn a bit cooler and it'll stay breezy for the rest of the week with sunshine and showers or longer spells of rain. Now, this area of low pressure sitting out towards the west of the UK contains the remnants of what was Hurricane Erin. So there is some energy to the system, throwing weather fronts out our way. One such front will be crossing the country again on Wednesday. Now, there's some brighter echoes on it, indicating some heavy, possibly thundery bursts, but it'll fragment across the Midlands and the southeast into the afternoon. So here, the rain will be patchy and it'll be followed by sunshine and showers into the afternoon further west. Temperatures low 20s again across the southeast, but a little bit fresher further north and west. So there's still some warmth around. So as we head through Wednesday night, we'll see more showers pushing to northern and western areas, but some clearer spells towards the east. Temperatures a little bit lower for Wednesday night, and that's going to be the trend, I think, as we continue to move through the week. So little change as we head into Thursday. The area of low pressure will be centred just the north of Northern Ireland. So it's here, I think, where we'll see most of the showers. Again, some of them will be heavy and thundery. Same too for western Scotland, parts of western England and Wales, with fewer showers towards more eastern and southeastern areas, although a few will get through during the afternoon. It'll be a bit more blustery as well. Southern and western areas certainly seeing the strongest of the winds, a little bit lighter closer to the centre of the low near Northern Ireland. And those temperatures up to 22, 23 in the east, otherwise the high teens further north and west. And through Thursday night, the showers continue in northern and western areas again. Some of them could be quite heavy, clearer spells developing further south and east. As we head into Friday, you could see the secondary area of low pressure moving around the parent low. It could be a little bit further north, it could be a bit further southwards, but there's a chance of seeing a spell of heavier, possibly thundery rain moving across southern areas. Further north, closer to the centre of the parent low, then it's a mixture of sunshine and showers again, and some of them will be heavy and thundery, but interspersed with some spells of sunshine. Temperature-wise, high teens in the north, we could hit the low 20s across the south. And then as we move into Saturday, certainly the start of the weekend, we could see another secondary low moving around the parent low, which could potentially give a more substantial spell of rain across England and Wales, a good watering for the crops and the gardens here. Again, it's still a bit of a question mark on the details, so stay tuned to the forecast. But further north, it's sunshine and showers. Temperatures coming down a bit more now, mid to high teens for many of us. Now, the jet stream further ahead will be centred closer to the UK. Now, it's been to the north of the UK for most of August. Now it's running across the UK and steering areas of low pressure off the Atlantic in towards our direction. So it does look like it's going to stay unsettled for the end of August and into the start of September. The temperatures coming down a touch, both by day and by night. And we'll continue to see that mixture of sunny spells and showers or longer spells of rain at times. But keep abreast of the forecast. Details a little bit sketchy at the moment.